Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter that is chapter 19, Union of India and the National Days. In this chapter we have certain fill in the blanks given and we have to fill them with the help of help desk. So let's now begin with the exercise. Well, the first fill in the blank is the dash is the highest law-making body in India, and the answer for this question is Parliament. The next is dash is the highest law-making body in a state. So the answer for this is state legislative. Next is the local body of the village is called dash, and the answer is Panchayat. Fourth question, the executive powers of the Union vest in President. Fifth, the executive powers of a state are vested in Governor. Then sixth, the head of the Union Cabinet is Prime Minister. Seventh, the head of the State Cabinet is Chief Minister. Eighth, the highest court in India is Supreme Court. Then the ninth is the highest court in a state. It is High Court. Last one, the head of the Supreme Court is what? Who is the head? The head is Chief Justice of India. So this was all about the fill in the blanks. Let's now do the your answer please. And the question is, what would you do to improve India's administration? India के administration को improve करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? Think the answer for this question, children, and then write the answer here in the book itself. Now let's move to the quick fact given on this page. Now the quick fact given on this page says that Election Commission is a legal body which is responsible for the general elections. So who is responsible for general elections? The Election Commission. Let's now move to the next page. Now here on the next page they have given you certain national days of various countries. Let's quickly read them. 15th August, it is the Independence Day of which country? India. The next is 4th February is the Independence Day of Sri Lanka. 14th July is the National Day of France. 1st July is the Canada Day of Canada. 26th January is the Australia Day for the Australia. 1st January is the Liberation Day of Cuba. 25th March is known as the Independence Day for Greece. Then 17th May is the Constitution Day of Norway. The next is 27th April, and this is the Freedom Day for South Africa. The next 25th May, and 25th May is what? It is the Revolution Day of Argentina. Next we have 28th May, and this is the Derg Downfall Day of Ethiopia. The next 2nd June, and it is the Republic Day for Italy. 6th June is the Flag Day of Sweden. 10th June is the Portugal Day for Portugal. 12th June is the Russia Day for Russia. 4th July is the Independence Day of USA. 18th December is the National Day of Qatar, and 2nd December is the National Day of UAE. Next is 1st December, it is the Great Union Day for Romania. 11th November is the National Day of Poland. 19th September, this is Constitution Day for Nepal. Then 26th October, this is the National Day of Austria. 26th January is again a Republic Day, obviously for our country India. Then 31st August is the Independence Day of Malaysia. The last one, 27th April, it is known as the King's Day for Netherlands. Let's see the quick fact. It says that 22nd April is called the Earth Day also. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you have understood the various national days of the various countries also. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.